Are you ready to transform your cooking? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 pressure cooker is an absolute game changer for any kitchen. Imagine replacing 9 different kitchen appliances with just one incredible device. This model acts as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, food warmer, cake maker, and sterilizer. With 15 customizable smart programs, from perfectly cooked eggs to delicious chili, preparing your favorite meals has never been easier or more precise. Plus, the durable stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy cooking and effortless cleanup every single time, making it a true investment. It drastically cuts down cooking time, allowing you to whip up gourmet-level meals even on your busiest weeknights. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen or find the best kitchen appliance for 2025, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is definitely worth checking out. Find the link to grab yours on Amazon in the description below and start enjoying healthier, faster meals today. Seriously, for anyone wanting to simplify their cooking and elevate their meals, this Instant Pot is an absolute must-have.